Hi everyone, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty. Today I have a new subscription box unboxing. If you're new here, hi, my name's Kim, and my channel is all about stretching your craft dollar to be affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe so your friends can learn to be affordably crafty too. Also, join my Facebook group and follow me on Instagram. So on Black Friday, I had posted a deal in the community page. So it's really important that you hit the notification bell for all so that you're notified of all the sales and deals that I'm posting on my community tab. And also so you don't miss a video. So Cratejoy, Cratejoy, for those who aren't familiar with that, is like a showroom for subscription boxes. And frequently they have coupons and percentages off you can apply if you're trying something new. So they had a good coupon. And I was like, put it in my cart, took it out of my cart. And then there was a 1-hour flash sale after I had signed up for the email list. So I got this box for $1. Literally $1. No shipping. $1. And I'm like, okay, I couldn't pass that up. So I am unboxing Sips By, which is a tea subscription box that's curated based on my likes and dislikes. So if you're someone who can't have caffeine, you can put no caffeinated teas on it. If you have an allergy, you can put that in there. So I am super excited to see what's in here. I do love to drink some tea. And for $1, hey, who could pass that up? So this is not sponsored by Sips By or Cratejoy. I bought this with my own money. And let me know if you have ever tried a tea or beverage subscription box. And if you have one that I should try. I also drink coffee. So let me open this up. I do like the box, how it's got cute little hearts and leaves on it. I definitely love to reuse these and repurpose them for other things. So this will definitely be one of those things. Let me open it up. Ooh, I can't wait. Super excited. Has anybody done Sips By before? Ooh. Oh, I like that. When you open it up, there is a, hello. On the inside, it also says Sips By with a heart. And then it's got a label in there. Let's see what that says. It says, December teas. And then it says, oh, that's cool. It says made for Kim. That's awesome. The most wonderful time of year is here, Kim. We're sending all the love right now and hoping that whatever shape your holiday season takes this year, tea is there to provide an extra bit of comfort and joy. Share a pic of your Sips By box with us to enter to win a free month. Use hashtag SipsByBox and tag at Sips By and the brands below in your caption. Team Sips By. Rate, learn, and shop your teas at Sips By. So let's see what's, well, that looks fancy. Let's see what we have. So there is, what is this? Ooh, that's cool. So there's a little drawstring bag here that says reusable muslin cloth tea bags inside. Let's see what those look like. Sorry. Let's see. Or disposable, I should say, not reusable. No, reusable muslin cloth tea bags. Reusable. Oh, that's cool. There's quite a few in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's 7. So they look like this, like recycled stuff. And then I guess you would pull this string tight. I don't know how reusable they'd be. They seem a little flimsy. We'll have to try that out and see how it works. But I also appreciate that this bag can be reused. Isn't that cool? So let's see what else we have. That first. Ooh. I like chai, and I clicked that box. So the first thing I'm going to grab out of here is a chai. And it is this Stash Holiday Chai. It has, ooh, blended black tea, cinnamon, allspice clove, ginger root, natural gingerbread flavor. That's interesting. Natural Jamaican RUM flavor and nutmeg oil. Ooh, that sounds good. Non-GMO certified. So there is 1, 2, 3 of these, and it says on here, high caffeine. I like high caffeine. This holiday interpretation of a classic Indian drink has a spicy sweet gingerbread aroma and is excellent plain or with milk and sugar. That sounds fun. Oh, and it looks like they give you codes after the teas for a discount. So if there's something I really like, I can get more. Let's see what the next one is. Ooh. Chamomile. Ooh. Probably murdering this word. Ticola tea. Herbal infusion packed in Sri Lanka. Ooh, that's cool. I also like herbal tea, and check that. And this says caffeine free. Chamomile is one of the most ancient medicinal herbs known to mankind. It is best known for its calming effect as a natural sleep inducer. Yes, I do enjoy chamomile tea. And there are 4 bags of that in here. So far I have 7 bags of tea. What do we have next? Ooh. Ooh, this is a loose tea. That's exciting. So there's a big bag in here of cherry vanilla. Ooh, this sounds fun. Caffeine-free herbal tea. Tea head. About this tea. A delicious fruit and hibiscus blend, ooh, with a hint of vanilla. Flavors of sun-ripened cherries and creamy vanilla mixed together for a caffeine-free tea that gives you 1 scoop of soothing when enjoyed hot and 1 scoop of refreshing when enjoyed cold. Ingredients. Ooh, that's exciting. Apple pieces, hibiscus blossoms, rosehip peel, elderberries, beetroot pieces. Ooh, so that's probably red when you brew it. Rose petals, blackberry leaves, sour cherry pieces, vanilla pieces, and flavoring. It says measure 1.5 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water and steep 10 minutes. That's probably because a lot of that stuff in there is dried. Ooh, that's awesome. It says there's 4 servings on it. Now, what does the paper say? Flavors of sun-ripened cherries and creamy vanilla mixed together for a blend that gives you 1 scoop of soothing and 1 scoop of refreshing. Okay, that's cool. Next, what's on the bottom here? The perfect cup of tea. Oh, wait, where is this one made? Doesn't say. Does it say on here? I'll have to look that up. The last one is also a loose tea. The perfect cup of tea. Ooh. Well, that's right up my alley. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that cool? Blackberry Lavender. Uplifting by Tin Star Tea. Uplifting aromatic tea with a fruity attitude. Oh, it's from Texas. Texan crafted with black tea, lavender, so that definitely has caffeine, lavender, rose hips, sage, rosemary, basil, blackberry, and natural flavor extracts. Tin Star Tea Company is in Asley, Texas, and it says, prepare loose tea by placing 1 to 2 teaspoons into a strainer. Put the strainer into your cup, then pour properly heated water directly over the leaves. If using a teapot, measure 1 to 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water. For milder flavor, shorten brew time. Increase brew time for stronger flavor. That's cool. I just love how that looks. Bag's pretty cool. Isn't that fun? So it says about this one, contains caffeine, Envelop your senses with this savory aromatic blend. Smooth black tea, sweet lavender, and ripe blackberry come together with mild earthy tones of sage, rosemary, and basil. So 3 of the teas, I got a 15% off code, and 1 I got a 10% off code. And then there's another card in the bottom that says Merry and Bright, and it's nice and cardboard. It says, treat yourself to cups of cheer. Happy holidays from the whole Sips by team to you and yours. When you're ready to stock up on more tea to keep you warm and cozy this season, use this code to take $5 off in our holiday market. Code valid through 12/31. Give the gift of tea discovery. Save on a personalized gift to the tea lover in your life this holiday with a Sips by Box gift card. $5 off a 3-month gift card, $10 off a 6-month gift card, or $15 off a 12-month gift card with these codes. Well, that's cool. And then, I like the box. Look, on the inside, it continues the leaf and heart pattern. So that is a Sips By. I have never gotten a snack or a beverage box before. I am excited to try these teas, and as I use them, I will be reviewing them this month. And then at the end of the month, I will be posting my review video. I'm really, really interested to see if these work. Oh, wait, this one has a thing. Why does this one have a thing? It has a little taggy McTaggy on it. I don't know why. The other ones don't have this. Whoop. So this one has a little paper on it. The other ones don't. That's weird. I'm really interested to see if these little bags work. And if they're reusable, how easy they are to clean out. Because that would be cool. But at least I'll be able to reuse this somehow. Is that just I think that's just a label on top. All right. So let me know down below, guys, if you have any more tea or coffee subscription boxes you think I should try. And let me know if you've used Sips By before. Yeah, I can't wait to review these. So please like, share, and subscribe so your friends can learn how to be affordably crafty too. Have a creative day, everyone. Bye.